Hello po, ayan, nandito na tayo sa reception area po. MPC Pavilion, dito din sa Bulacan.
Ano, pwede na?
Ayan po, pumapasok na yung mga guest. Ayan, pasok na din tayo. Ayan po, sa VIP table 1 tayo na-assign.
Tapos, tumambay ako sa gilid. Walang minutes na. Walang reservation doon ng tao. Basta nagpa-reserve ka na.
Let's go inside na po. Ayan, let's go inside the reception hall.
Ganda. May siya sila dito sa labas. Thank you.
Right, a pleasant and a wonderful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and
Yan,
welcome
start
to the
na po
wedding
ang
celebration of Mr. and Mrs. Derek and Faye. And first thing, we would like to thank you all guys for coming. Salamat po sa pagsama sa amin today, and also thank you for patiently waiting, for allowing Mr. and Mrs. Rocker to fully enjoy this once-in-a-lifetime event of their lives. It's all because of you guys. And by the way, right now while waiting for the actual start of the program, so we'd also love to announce that we have our mobile bar. So on that side,
Yan,
you can have a
paano
little
nga
bit
dyan?
of alcohol, guys,
Sayang,
while waiting for the program to begin. And beside the mobile bar, there you can find our perfume stage. Program in a few moments. Get yourselves ready, guys. And once again, on behalf of Roque and Zamores family, thank you, friends, for the love and support. We're gonna start shortly.
Kamusta naman?
Ayan, may drinks. At may free na perfume sa mga guests.